Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to auto-delete Google Workspace users who have been suspended for 6 months using xFanatical Foresight. Managing suspended user accounts can be a tedious task, especially when organizations have a large number of inactive users. Keeping suspended accounts for extended periods may increase security risks, complicate user management, and incur unnecessary user license fees. Manually checking and deleting suspended accounts is time-consuming and prone to errors. That's where xFanatical Foresight comes in. With the automated user deletion feature in xFanatical Foresight, IT admins can ensure that all users who have been suspended for 6 months or more are automatically removed, saving time and reducing potential security vulnerabilities. Let's dive in and see how it works. The template is designed with 2 rules to automate and streamline the process of deleting Google Workspace users who have been suspended for 6 months. Rule 1. This rule automatically creates a calendar event in the admin's Google Calendar, scheduled exactly 6 months after a user is suspended. The event title includes the suspended user's primary email, and the delay period is configurable based on the organization's policy. Rule 2. This rule automates the deletion of suspended users once the calendar event from Rule 1 starts. This ensures inactive accounts are efficiently removed, maintaining security and compliance without manual intervention. Rule 1. Auto-create user deletion calendar event. Sign into xFanatical Foresight with your Google admin account. Go to the Templates page. Search Auto-delete users suspended for 6 months and click on it. In the Auto-delete users suspended for 6 months page, click Copy Rule 1. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Auto Create User Deletion Calendar Event will display. Click Next. In the Convert Date Time screen, in the Time Change Steps field, set the number of months after which you want to delete users who have been suspended. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Rule 2. Auto-delete users suspended for 6 months. In the Auto-delete users suspended for 6 months page, click Copy Rule 2. Click Next. No configuration is required. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The following instructions demonstrate how xFanatical Foresight automates the deletion of Google Workspace users suspended for 6 months, ensuring streamlined account management and compliance. Note: for demonstration purposes, set the Time Change Steps field in the Convert Date Time action of Rule 1 to 15 minutes instead of 6 months to see the automation in action sooner. Sign into your Google Admin Console. Suspend the user to trigger Rule 1 in xFanatical Foresight. Go to the Rules page. Wait for the notification in the top right corner indicating that Rule 1 has been executed. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and confirms the results of Rule 1. Go to your Google Calendar and verify that the calendar event was successfully created as a result of Rule 1. Wait until the calendar event's time. Once the scheduled calendar event begins, Rule 2 will automatically trigger. Wait for the notification in the top right corner confirming the execution of Rule 2. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and confirms the results of Rule 2. Verify that the suspended user has been successfully deleted in the Google Admin Console. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.